to my channel's gardening ideas and tips.
Plant nursery is a place where the young seedlings of the plant are taken care of and provided with favorable conditions for their proper growth and maintenance for their light reproduction. The seedlings will be transplanted to create later growing plants from the seedlings produced in this seedling platform. Seedlings can be sold as is or taken elsewhere. Seedlings grown in such nurseries can be grown on a small scale for retail sale or on a large scale for wholesale sale to other nurseries or for those who own commercial gardens. Such nurseries are also used by some private companies, or in private gardens, to meet their own seedling needs. Some nurseries are designed and maintained to propagate a variety of plants, while others are designed and maintained for a specific plant. Modern nurseries are usually made of glass or plastic caves. However, nurseries are also being set up in open field garden plots. Seedlings can be grown in the ground or in different types of containers. Nurseries can be set up in containers, fields, gardens, or even inside buildings. If you want to get the seedlings needed to set up a small home garden, you can set up the nursery even in a small container. At the same time, if deforestation is to be reclaimed or reforested, large tracts of land will be needed to set up nurseries for larger trees. The young plants in the nurseries are given extra care to ensure that they produce good, healthy plants. Are set up automatically with some technical assistance in maintenance. For example, watering machines start automatically at a specific time and are set to pump water at a specific time. Seedlings are obtained by germination of seeds produced by mixed breeding in nurseries. Seedling platforms are also maintained through unmixed breeding methods. Plants with many desirable traits are obtained by unmixed breeding, such as grafting or budding. There are several ways to set up a nursery. These depend on various factors such as plant type, their breeding pattern, size of seedlings required, availability of space, availability of water. Once the seedlings have grown to a certain size and become firm, they can be replanted in the field, in the garden, or in their place. Thus the time for replanting will be decided in advance and accordingly, sufficient time will be given for the seedlings to become firm and the nursery will be prepared. During commercial seedling production which requires more seedlings, high seedling platform can be set up in areas with high rainfall and low seedling platform in areas with low rainfall. Pot inside the pot is a method of growing plant seedlings. This method is called pot and pot in English. The seedlings produced for sale in this method will be grown in small pots and in small pots which are already set up permanently. These large tanks are usually set up permanently in long queues on the mainland. Larger pots are usually connected to a central irrigation system. Seedlings grown in small pots, once grown to the required size, will be sent for sale with pots. Larger tanks will be waiting for the next smaller tanks. Larger tanks will be permanent. This system reduces the costs for farmers of planting and replanting. Thank you.